Hi guys, welcome to my page and let's have our devotion for today, January 2, 2024. Let's open our Bible in Ephesians 4:25. Tell each other the truth because we all belong to each other in the same body. Kahapon pinag-usapan natin yung ating mga New Year resolution. Syempre pag may gusto tayong pagbabago, gusto natin agad-agad. Diba, mabago tayo. Pero hindi tayo magiging succeed without the support of the few trusted people around us. God did not make us to go through life alone. We're better together. May mga pangyayari kasi sa buhay natin na talagang hindi natin kakayanin mag-isa. Mahirap, harapin mag-isa, mahirap labanan mag-isa. Kailangan natin talagang kasama. Halimbawa, di ba sa larong tug of war? Kalaban mo marami sila, naghihilahan kayong dalawang kupunan, tapos nag-iisa ka, hindi mo kakayanin. Matatalo ka kung nag-iisa ka, tapos ang dami mong kalaban. Ibig sabihin, like example, madaming problema, tapos mag-isa ka lang naghihila, mahirap yon. Mas magtatagumpay kayo, mas mananalo ka kung meron kang kasamang humihila laban sa problema mong yon. Kasamang tutulong sa'yo. Okay, we need small group na hindi naman kailangan yung talagang 25 people or 30 na magiging honest ka dun or transparent ka. Kailangan mo lang ng mga 5 or 6 na pwede kang mag-open, na mag-open ng problema mo, masabihan mo. If you are being serious about changing, growing, and resetting your life, you have to learn how to trust others. Kailangan mo lang may masabihan na ilang tao katiwalaan mo, who will pray with you, who will listen with you, yung pag-unloada ng mga problema mo sa buhay. Okay, sabi dito, di ba, Ephesians 4:25 says, tell each other the truth because we all belong to each other in the same body. Ano yung sinasabi dito na same body, na nakabilong tayo? Ito po yung sinasabing God's family. As a Christian, we belong to God's family. You will only become what God wants you to be by sharing your life with a small group of people who will love you, hold you up, and encourage you as you reset your life. That's all for today. God bless you, everyone. Stay safe.